Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a try-on, and a review on the makeup brushes from MODA. With that being said, let's get started. So these makeup brushes are by MODA Next Gen. The Eye Defining Kit, 100% vegan and cruelty-free. That's cool. Kit includes shader, doomed shadow, crease, smoky eye, and angled liner. And it looks like this. I got these blue. They kind of look a little bit teal from the brush ends. So this is how they look like. And this is the back, and in the back it states again, cruelty-free, 100% vegan, no animal products used. And then it states, quote, go for natural, dramatic, smoky, or colorful eyes with these 5 fan favorite MODA brushes that can be used with your favorite powder or cream shadows, end quote. So then it just says, like the shader, sweep and blend eyeshadow over the entire lid. The doom top of this eyeshadow brush gives a smooth application to define eyes in a few sweeps. Crease, long, soft filaments allow for blender, darker shadow in the crease, giving a more defined eye. Smoky eye, apply shadow in the crease and close to the lash line for a dramatic smoky eye. This soft angle brush with a chiseled edge allows for precision at a lash line. And then of course their website right here. Has their website and then all the social medias, MODA brush. So now to unbox, and I don't know how to unbox it. Oh. It has little like tabs here, but I don't know if you're supposed to pull up. It has tape. Never mind. Wait, how do you open these? Watch me struggle open these. Pull up. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that's how you open it. You open it like that. And then of course, there it is. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brushes. And I got them in the shade blue. It looks kind of teal at the brush ends, but these look very pretty. I also like that this is kind of like a crystal clear, and you can see like the names there, and of course the brand name in the middle. These feel very soft. They're nice to get and handle, and they are not heavy at all. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try them. This is on the crease. Final rating out of 5, a 5. I like the packaging. It's simple, cute colors, and I really like how in the back it has what each brush is supposed to do. I also like that they include all their social media, their website, just in case you want to find them, you know where to go. I like that they are cruelty-free and they don't test on animals, and it's 100% vegan. I also like how they look. I like this color, like that it seems like it's a little bit like a glass here. And I also like how it has the name of the brand in the middle. Of course, the name for what it's for here at the end. And I like that they are very soft. Of course, as you saw in some of these, I think it was 2 of these, I had to go back in the color and not tap it that hard in order for it to show up in my eyelid. But I have to say, I am really impressed. These actually remind me of the Morphe brush. Of course, I do have to say this video is not sponsored at all. They are not sponsoring me to say this. I am saying this because I really like these brushes. These were around $14, so they're definitely worth it. And they sell them at Walmart. So sometimes they have a like individual of 4 or all of them. If you have your money, the means, your time to go look for them, you want new brushes. This is my opinion again. I'm not telling you what to do, but this is a good brand of brushes. So would I recommend these brushes? Yes, I would. Will I be using these brushes? Yes, I will. Again, this is my opinion, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these, and it's free to do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.